When your partner betrays you, it's really hard to move forward. It's really hard to ever trust them again. And the trust has to be rebuilt. One of the things I look for as a therapist is, are they remorseful? A lot of times people are confused and they'll say, well, I feel really guilty. Guilty is a personal feeling. Guilt is something you personally feel bad about, making a mistake. You feel like you want to get over it, you want to forgive, and you want to move on. When you feel guilty after betrayal, most of the guilt is self-centered. And it's that you got caught, that you got yourself in this situation, or that this situation happened at all. Remorse is the deep sadness that you did something to hurt somebody else that you love. And when people are remorseful, it includes their partner. It makes the person who feels badly, who betrayed, not only apologize over and over, but do anything to make amends. It puts them in a different position. And they will walk around and openly say, I am so sorry I hurt you. They will tell other people, I really hurt my partner. They are not feeling like they got to cover it up or that you can't say anything, because the component of guilt, although it's there, remorse is much wider. It has a wide sense that I have done something that has caused somebody I love intense pain, and I'm hoping I can work my way back to forgiveness. These are signs to look for. If your partner is remorseful after cheating or a betrayal of any kind, I would look for these, and I look for these in my office as an effort that, okay, I think I might be able to trust this person again. I think I can work with this person again. And here are some of the signs I look for. The first one is, not only does your partner apologize, but they offer openly and keep saying, I am so sorry I hurt you. What can I do? They look for things that are going to make it better for you. Maybe they're going to instigate different boundaries. They're going to tell you they're basically already building different boundaries so this won't happen again. They will open it up. They will willingly, if you say, I need to hear the story again, they're not frustrated. They will openly talk about it. They will give you every detail. And as they give it, they will once again tell you how sorry they are. They are willing to do anything. They'll go to counseling. They'll cut out people in their life. They'll look for a new job if it's someone they work with. There is no holding them back. They basically are an open book. They want you and the marriage. They are not worried about saving themselves. They know what they've done. They know how they look. Not only that, when going forward, if you will give them a second chance, they will make it up. They will use their phone in a way to check in on you. They will tell you where they are, and their actions will follow that. When they say something, you can expect that you're going to see the follow through. They're not playing games with you. They're not saying one thing and doing another. They're not blaming you. And I think that's a big thing, because when a partner is guilty, after a while, they'll start saying things like, well, you didn't really do your part either, or you withdrew from me. You didn't want sex anymore. They'll start accusing you. Someone who is remorseful is not going to do that, because they step up to the plate. They accept full responsibility. They don't blame the other person that they had the affair with or the interaction with. They don't blame a media outlet. They don't blame you or work or anyone else. They step up to the plate and take total blame. If you see this kind of a partner, if this is your kind of partner, then I would say moving forward is a wise decision, trying to make it work. Don't make it work without therapy. A therapist is going to be your objective person, the person you can talk to, the person you can trust, and the person you can work with going forward. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much.